Imagine that. Me, Brandon Connor. Imagine that. Here I am about to preach at the PCW funeral memorial service. Well, how can that happen? Well, there's only one way. You see, it was only a matter of time before I, Brandon Connor, killed my competition. That's right, I killed PCW. And in its final segment, here on BWE television, I get to address you, the PCW fans. I get to address you, the PCW superstars. What is the fate of PCW? Well, in the special PCW funeral memorial service, you will find out. Because the fate, the very fate of PCW is in my hands. Sorry, Lynx Kruger. I had to take one more shot at you. No, but in all seriousness, we are gathered here today to celebrate the death of PCW. You know, PCW was a wrestling company that didn't have nothing new to offer anyone, including the backyard wrestling fans. They had to steal ideas from other wrestling companies, including mine. What I'm holding right here represents the life of PCW. You know, Lynx Kruger once told me that I pissed on the legacy of their PCW World Heavyweight Championship. Well, you know what? Here's what I think of your PCW World Heavyweight Championship. It belongs in a casket, underground in a grave. What can I say? I killed my competition. I embarrassed them so bad, they had to quit wrestling. And that's all facts. Now I'm going to take the time and ask, does anyone here have anything they want to say about PCW? Nah, I didn't think so. You see, PCW was a piece of shit wrestling company anyways. There ain't nothing more you can say about it. I'm gonna go ahead and kill PCW for good. You see, once I put this PCW, the life of PCW, in this casket and close the lid, PCW dies. Here we go. The war between BWE and PCW ends when I close this lid. PCW dies when I close this lid. I kill my competition when I close this lid. Here we go. PCW dies in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, PCW fans, you didn't actually think Lynx Kruger was gonna come here and save the day, did you? I challenged Lynx Kruger to a match over a year ago. He never accepted the match request. So, if you actually thought he was gonna come here and save the day and save PCW, you're way off. Here we go. Now I'm dead serious on this one. PCW fans, you better say what you gotta say now. PCW. Because PCW dies. 3, 2, 1. PCW had a good run. It did. But it just wasn't enough to tame the beast. No. It's badass wrestling entertainment.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Yo, remember me, Danny Cool. I'm gonna beat a clown that looks like a fucking fool. His name is Shadow, but don't get it wrong. He'll beat you up even if you're the big King Kong. Take that back, he got his ass whooped by Sid. I put it into you like PCW and close the lid. You think we're scared cause you're a clown, real frightening. This is Danny Cool's launching point, I'm next on Lightning.
Doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard.
I've been the puppet master and I've been the strings. I've been the up and coming next big thing. I've been the photograph and I've been the lens. take away my strength, fix these broken things. Nothing left to fight. You can't take away my strength, fix these broken things. There's nothing left to fight. It's real, let me go. You can't take away my pride, I won't be denied. There's nothing left to fight, nothing left to fight. Let's feel, let me die. Let's feel, let me die. Let's feel, let me die. Freezing me, take me by my hand, show me things I can't understand. For now, I'll wait and see what we become, what will become of me. And time's not gonna wait, not for one day. It's gonna break us the same way. Some of us love, and some of us hate, and some of us fear the end won't come our way. In death, life, what's next? The only thing certain is death. Life, what's next? Isn't the only thing. Holding tight those things that we all love, not knowing why or where we go. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, toxic, picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even is starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his glitters beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause writing was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man, why you had the stupidest verses? Dude, it's the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that
This
guy.
is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power